Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of CiCi app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about CiCi app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.